Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to significantly improve your camera quality on Motorola Edge Plus. Firstly, I will ask you to take a picture of something just so you will be able to tell the difference later. Then go into Google and now type in Gcam. Now go into this website. Okay, here is the list of models, but I know that the PSG one is actually gonna work. I'm not sure if this one, but if this is going to be the best one, but it's definitely going to be working. So let's choose PSG. Now let's tap on the newest version, which is this one, and install the _ENG version. So install. Okay, it has been already downloaded. What? I don't think it was. Tap on again and tap on download and download anyway. No. Let's open it. Settings. Allow from the source. Install. Now you're going to see. Now you're going to have two camera apps, the old one and the new one. So let's open the new one. And go to access, of course, and as you can see, everything works. So like I can show you the difference, but I have a great lighting here, so I don't think the difference is going to be that much. Well, let me see. Okay, so now let's go into photos. And I have two pictures, and yeah, as I said, the difference is not going to be that huge, so you just have to see it for yourself, and then you will be able to tell which camera is the better for you. But yeah, you just get rid of the old one and get the new one in the place of the old one. Yep, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.